Hi guys, Steph here. Hey, what have we got for you today? Well, we've got yet another pen from my recent pen haul. And what we've got for you here is a beautiful, very handsome Conway Stewart fountain pen. Now this one it's actually the universal pen from Conway Stewart, London, and it's the number 479. Now these pens, as you can see and we'll show in a moment, come without a cap band, and they came in numerous marbled colours. I can't remember exactly what colours they were, but maybe a red and green maybe. But this one, as you can see, comes in this lovely sort of blue and very dark blue, maybe even black marbling. Absolutely gorgeous. So as I said, they came in numerous different colours. The date of this pen is the late 1930s. I'm dating around about 1938. The size of it, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's approximately 129 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a tad under 12 millimeters in diameter. Now let's show you the barrel imprint. Now the barrel imprint, although it's legible, it's a little bit on the worn side, so let's see if we can actually show it to you. Let's keep it lovely and still, and hopefully you may see to the very top it says the universal pen, and then slightly underneath, just there, it says Conway Stewart, London. And then if I twist it round a little bit more, you should be able to see it says number 479. Let's maybe just try a different angle. Always difficult looking through my camera to see how clear it is, but I'm hoping you can actually read that. Now what it also has, a little bit more legible, I think, if I just keep it again nice and still, to the bottom of the barrel there, it says made in England. Okay, so I think that's a little bit more legible. So made in England to the bottom of the barrel, as you can see there. All in all, as I say, superb pen, very handsome pen indeed. Again, fully restored. We've totally disassembled the pen, cleaned it internally, section, feed, nib, etc. New sack. It's in absolutely stunning condition. Now what you may have noticed, it comes with nickel trim. So you can see there we've got this nickel Conway Stewart lever with the logo Conway Stewart to the sort of end of the lever there. If we take you up to the cap, as mentioned earlier, you'll notice there's no cap bands on this model. And again, you know, the other pens, the other 479s in this range with the different colours also had no cap bands. To the top there, very recognisable, we've got this traditional Conway Stewart clip, again in nickel. You can see to the top we've got the Conway Stewart diamond logo, very nice indeed. And to the very top there you can see we've got this lovely black peaked sort of finial to the very top of the cap there. Okay, so all in all, gorgeous. Let's undo the cap. Let's give you a few little twirls to show you the different angles again in absolutely beautiful condition. Let's pop that down. Let's show you the section. You can see the section there tapers down towards the nib, slight concave to the section there, and then if we show you the nib again, let's keep it nice and still. The nib reads Conway Stewart 14 karat gold, and what you can't see because it's hidden inside the section, it's got the number 1 to the very bottom of the nib, which I believe is the correct nib for this specific pen. Okay, there's a lovely sideways view for you. Let's show you the feed underneath, and there we have it. You can see it's got a standard, quite a plain Conway Stewart feed to the bottom, and you can see everything is lovely and clean. So all in all, beautiful pen in this gorgeous sort of 2 shades of blue marble, and maybe black in there as well. A lovely size pen. I've got large hands, which I keep repeating, and for me, you can see it's very comfortable to hold and to write with. Pardon? Right, okay, you want to see it writing. Okie dokie, let's bring on our ink. Let's open the lever like so. Let's pop the nib in the ink. Just give it a couple of seconds. We're only going to do this once because it's only for a writing sample. So let's pop the ink to one side. Let's bring on our writing pad, and let's see how the pen writes. Now, I've actually, in this particular case, actually just tested it without any ink, just on paper. It felt a little bit on the scratchy side. So what I've actually done, I've actually smoothed the nib. So let's see how it writes. So, what we have, a Conway Stewart. Sorry, it's not 4.5. It's a 4.79. Now, few people who watch my videos, when I'm actually quiet like this, when I'm writing, believe it or not, I'm quite actually enjoying the experience. It's actually a lovely smooth writer. Let's do some. Actually, does it have any flex? Now, well, again, very surprising. I would say the answer is yes. It has a little bit of flex to the nib, and there we go. Look at that. It's writing, I would say, with a medium line. Once you start getting a little bit of pressure on the downward stroke, you can get that a little bit broader. But all in all, just without any pressure, writing with a medium line. And as you can see there, if we apply a little bit of pressure, we can get a lovely variation in the line. But the main thing, what a gorgeous smooth writer. Absolutely lovely. So that nib smoothing has actually done the job. gorgeous writer. So what we'll do, we'll empty the pen and swill it out, because what we're going to do is try and find a new home for this beautiful, very handsome, in my opinion, very handsome fountain pen. The Universal pen by Conway Stewart of London, and this model is the number 479. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing it to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, and if you possibly can, please support my work down below. And yes, last but not least, very important, stay in, stay safe. Hopefully it'll be over soon. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.